Power outages can strike unexpectedly, disrupting everything from food storage to home heating. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the best diesel generators for home use currently available on Amazon, covering everything from portable units to whole house standby systems. Let's start with the Generac 6864 XD5000E, a reliable and rugged portable diesel generator designed for serious backup needs. It delivers 5,000 running watts and is powered by a 435 cubic centimeter GENMAX air-cooled direct injection diesel engine. This unit is built for endurance, capable of running for over 30 hours at 50% load with its 12-gallon fuel tank. The electric start adds convenience, while the low oil shutdown and automatic voltage regulation ensures safe and stable operation for your appliances. The steel frame and integrated lifting eye make it job site tough, but it's just as effective for home use, powering essentials like refrigerators, sump pumps, lighting, and home office equipment. For homeowners who want portability without compromising on industrial-grade performance, this generator is a clear standout. Next is the GENMAX GM9000IE Super Quiet Diesel Generator, a high-capacity unit ideal for households with larger power demands. With a 9,000-watt output, this generator can comfortably handle central air conditioning units, well pumps, kitchen appliances, and more. It's equipped with an electric start, LED digital display, and smart fuel management for longer run times on a single tank. What truly sets it apart is its quiet operation. Designed for residential neighborhoods where noise is a concern, its robust design and safety features make it an excellent choice for families needing backup power without the industrial noise levels often associated with high-output generators. For those seeking seamless, uninterrupted power during outages, the Generac Guardian 704322 kilowatt standby generator is the gold standard. Unlike portable units, this standby generator is installed permanently and connects directly to your home's electrical system. It automatically detects a power outage and restores power within seconds, without any manual intervention. With a massive 22,000-watt capacity, it can run virtually your entire house, including HVAC systems, water heaters, security systems, and all major appliances. Powered by diesel fuel and capable of integrating with a home transfer switch, it's ideal for homeowners who want to eliminate the hassle of starting a generator during a storm or power failure. Although it requires a higher upfront investment and professional installation, it offers true peace of mind and uninterrupted power, especially in areas prone to extended blackouts. Moving down in size but not in quality, we have the Pulsar PG7000D diesel generator, which offers 7,000 peak watts and 5,500 running watts. It features both electric and recoil start options, along with a fully enclosed design that reduces operating noise. This generator includes multiple outlets for versatility, including 120 volts and 240 volts options, making it suitable for running essential appliances and small tools. It's air-cooled, fuel-efficient, and comes mounted on a durable frame with wheels for easier transportation. The control panel includes a voltmeter and low oil indicator, and users appreciate its ability to run for long hours without needing constant refueling. The Pulsar PG7000D strikes a solid balance between power, portability, and value, perfect for mid-sized homes or as a secondary generator for specific circuits. Finally, the DuroStar DS7000Q diesel generator rounds out our list with a strong showing in the quiet portable category. Rated at 6,500 running watts, it features a low RPM engine encased in a soundproof housing that significantly reduces noise. The DS7000Q includes both an electric start and a manual backup, a full power panel with individual circuit breakers, and a voltmeter for easy monitoring. It also has a low oil shutoff system for added engine protection. The rugged design and large wheels make it easy to maneuver despite its size. With a generous runtime and reliable diesel engine, this generator offers dependable power for homeowners who want lower noise levels and solid performance. Thanks for watching. Stay prepared and powered up. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews on tools, home backup gear, and power solutions you can count on.